Walk on, Miss Melanin. Show off your melanin. See how the queen and I'm not joke about that. See them a look, see them a hate, cause them know your thing shot. They see your skin and not for respect. I'm sitting here watching Kyra. I love her so much. I love her videos, her vlogs. And baby girl is sleeping, so I have some time to myself, drinking some coffee, relaxing before she gets up. Because when she gets up, it's all about her. It's her time. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna do some cleaning today too, and then maybe later on go out with mom because she wants a few things, but nothing special today. Like nothing special. This is why I hate vlogging, because I feel like my life is not interesting at all. I'm just like a boring person. Honestly, I just like to stay home. If we go out, we go out a few days in a week, but honestly, it's just me being home. So, but I'm still gonna vlog because maybe some of you guys are like me and like these home vlogs. Also, I'll be starting to go back. I'm gonna go back to work next week, so it's gonna be a little tougher for me to vlog some stuff. Don't mind this. Like, I gotta do a cleaning. I'm doing a cleaning. Fix up the couch that sprayed. I'll show you guys when I'm cleaning. Oh, you're hearing a lot of movement. It's my dog. He's eating. I just fed him, so you guys may know him because I vlogged with him before. Swiper. If you're a new subscriber, thank you guys for tuning back in. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my videos if you do like these videos. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna sit here, continue drinking my coffee, watch Kyra, and wait till baby girl gets up, feed her, and then start cleaning. Maybe, I don't know. It's been 2 hours later and I'm now getting up from where you guys see me. Oh my gosh. I'm going to start cleaning while I change because I wanted to get into something a little bit more decent for you guys. So watching TV. But I need to get my lazy butt up and clean this house. It's a whole mess. This here, I need to do something about that. I'll show you guys.
Pressure of your lips. Now I feel you trembling pressure of your lips. Now I feel you coming up so close, looking so picture perfect, boy, you're just the right dose. You're the antidote, kissing every part of me, making me invincible. You keep on outsmarting these roadblocks, body shots, hot locks, on the edge of this trouble started with your kiss. I feel you coming up so close. I feel you coming up so close. Now I feel you coming up so close. You're the antidote.
Baby girl is growing 2 of her bottom teeth already. Oh my god. Feels like yesterday I had her. It's just been 3 months. It's gonna be 4 months this month. That's crazy. Yep. So just here hanging out with baby girl. Finished cleaning. This vlogging is like really tough. You gotta remember to pick up a camera every time you do something. I gotta get used to that. And yeah, we're just hanging out here. I'm gonna step out, go out and buy a few things. I'm hoping maybe I could vlog a little bit of that and then come back home. I don't know if I'll be cooking today. I'm not too sure. Maybe, maybe not, because today is Saturday. Yeah, so at the store trying to get a calendar. Trying to figure out which calendar to get. These are so cute. I'm at Burlington. What is this? Wow, the notebook is cute. I need a calendar. These are the planners. Bless this day with grace and graded too. Good. Oh. I guess these are good. Oh, these are the planners. Well, I need one of these too. For my table, my office. I think I'm gonna get this one. Where am I putting it? Dang it. This is nice too. I'm trying to figure out how do we put this on the wall. Is this on the table or on the wall? Might do this one. $7 or that one. This one. This is a planner. It's a fitness planner. I am still outside at the store with my mom. Oh my gosh. If you are Haitian, you know, bargain hunter. Oh, they love that store. My mom's in there now. I'm sitting in the car waiting for her. I'm gonna get back to baby girl because I need to pump and get more milk for her. And my boobs are just feeling a bit heavy. So, you know how that goes. If you're a mom, you know how that is. Yeah, so I actually vlogged the whole day. I'm not home yet, but when I get home, I'll end the vlog. I don't think I'll do anything else and just relax. Maybe vlog dinner if I make dinner.